We're going to review the Black Widow car ramp, truck ramp, whatever ramp you want to use it for, whether it be your lawnmower, your car, such as this one. This car sits real low, so I chose the Black Widow not because of the words Black Widow, although that might work for some, but it's a not so steep ramp right here for the lower cars. It sits so low. Let's pull this car up on here so you can see how well it works. They measure 35.5 inches long. The grid design allows for great tire grip as you climb the ramp while allowing water, snow, and dirt to filter through. Each ramp is 12 inches wide and can handle up to 10,000 pounds per the pair of them. The Black Widow plastic service ramps are made from high-impact plastic and will raise your car, truck, SUV, or van up 6.25 inches from the ground. I will put it in the description below to make it easier for you to purchase yours from Amazon. Thank you for supporting the channel. A small portion, a few cents from your purchase will help support the channel and be no additional cost to you.